RC car, let's go. Hopefully this will turn out good. I'm not doing a very well job. It's hard letting it down on the so I gotta get around there. Alright, let's go. Over, around. I'm going around. No, straight. So that trailer's standing on. Go check out this video too on the Orange Family Adventure. This was a lot of fun to get out of the area. Alrighty, it's already been about 5 minutes. maybe I'll be done because it's already been 5 minutes. Yep. Wow. Anyway, another secret bullet. Nico was here. I'd have him get the other secret that is every secret. He's not here, so. Well, instead of you watching me kick it, stare at my beautiful face. So guys, I'm gonna end it here, up here. So please like and subscribe, show and comment what's in the next, and go check out the Williams Family Outdoor Adventure or something like that. I'll leave the link in the description, so go check that out. That's really cool. My whole family, we go boogie riding and all that. Go check that out, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.